It's snowing pretty hard in Jersey.
I ain't got no love for no bitch, but you the golden one.
Shit! Oh shit!
She call me other bitches walk around like a nigga on some. Say she wants you, call the boots, the couple stolen one. You the one I want on side stage when the show's done. Lately I've been going through a phase, tryna pocket some. So you the one, shit you laugh like it's a joke or something. It's okay, that's the price you pay when you act away.
Okay, we out here. It's snowing pretty hard in Jersey. You see the whip over there. We're gonna go out and slide later, but right now we're gonna go snowboard. I'm with John right now. All right, let's go. All right, this is the spot. Word. And we got a little ramp right here. You ready? Yeah, facts. Oh shit! Alright, it's hard. It's really hard. Maybe I gotta slow down a little bit. Hell yeah! Yeah! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, this is a good one. Oh, I'm about to hit this. Y'all good? Oh shit! I was gonna go out last night, but the snow was too bad and I really couldn't get too far out of my lot. I'll post like one clip of me like trying, but it was just too steep. Like once I got out of here, I couldn't get to the main road because all up there was completely covered in snow. We're gonna go out right now. While cleaning off the windshield of my car, my wiper blade broke, so I'm going to an auto parts store to go get a new wiper. All right, let's go get a wiper blade. Where are we at? We at Advanced Auto. I ain't gonna lie, I have no idea how to fucking do this. What? Oh. 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 Okay, that's pretty easy. So, go in, goes in, goes in. All the way in. That was pretty easy. Cool. All right, bet. This is like dead center of town, so I gotta be like kind of chill.